So now what I want to do is I'm going to select here the magnetometer. Now in the magnetometer, I'm just going to select it here. I can either touch the screen here and it automatically ground balances. To ground balance, I can push this button here. Will then neutralize everything. The LED orbit, which is down below, I click here, that goes off. If I click here, then the sound goes off. It's still functioning. It's still here. It's just now only video. Or I come back here, turn the audio back on, and that's how it works. Now I'm doing a search here with the magnetometer as I'm coming along here, and I'm getting a signal. As I'm looking here at my display here, I see right here on the very end, as I'm coming through here searching, I can see which sensors are being affected. And by looking over here, it says it's on this side. So over here, I have a positive sitting right on top of it. And on this side is the negative. So I can see right here on this sensor, it's showing me that's where the object is. And as I move, you can see the various sensors reacting accordingly. This is one feature of the Pentasense system. Come back over the object, come out of it. So you know where your object is. Here it is not. And as I'm seeing this is a longer object. This could be a buried pipe, for example, in the ground. Because as I'm coming on it, I can hit it. Oh, and now it is stopped. So here I have nothing. Coming back on it, I am on all four sensors. I have a ferromagnetic object on the ground here. That's the magnetometer. Very simple. We're going to find something right on the surface. No detection, extra tools necessary. We can just walk with it.